2023 is a game-changing year for Uganda's oil and gas sector. This is evident with the installation of the oil rigs and the recent oil spudding or commencement of oil drilling at Kingfisher oil field in Crude district.
You can see how God helped us. This is fantastic. This oil you are talking about was made by God here. Because that oil you are talking about is coming from mainly plants.
The commencement of the East African crude oil pipeline project is set for November this year.
Cabinet approved an application by the East African Crude Oil Pipeline Company Limited for a license to construct the East African Crude Oil Pipeline, or which is popularly known as EACOP, with the following benefits. 1. Commitment of both the governments of the Republic of Tanzania and Uganda to develop the EACOP project.
Ali Sekatawa, the Director Legal Affairs at the Petroleum Authority Uganda, says the civil works and sensitization of the project affected persons is ongoing in Tanzania.
Then there are alley works which are being done in Tanzania, and those alley civil works, I think even the minister spoke about them. They are again also being done in Tanzania, like fencing, topsoil relocation, and so on the facilities in Tanzania.
He also disclosed that by virtue of the East African crude oil pipeline project being implemented by Uganda and Tanzania, the port of Dar es Salaam and the Central Corridor will be a hive of activity.
So I think logistically, Dar es Salaam is going to be a major hub, because most of the facilities, if you realize, even the this MCPY is being constructed from Tanzania and then Mutukula, and then so that the pipelines and all the other logistical hubs are used through that line.
The estimated cost of the crude oil pipeline construction is $4 billion. It will be financed from equity provided by the shareholders and loans. In another development, the Marine Service Company of Tanzania has signed a memorandum of understanding with the Central Corridor Transit Transport Facilitation Agency. The 3-year MOU, worth 165 million Tanzanian shillings, signed at the Lake Victoria port city of Mwanza, seeks to improve maritime transport on Lake Victoria and Lake Tanganyika. Dennis Igoa for UBC News.